If you're over 40 and waking up with dull, dry skin, or if your wrinkles seem worse in the morning than the night before, there's a surprising reason for that. Your collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm and youthful, is breaking down faster at night. Yes, at night, when you're supposed to be resting and repairing. But don't worry. In this video, you'll discover why it's happening, the hidden nighttime habits destroying your skin, and the simple changes you can make to reverse the damage while you sleep. This isn't just about what you eat. It's about what your body does while you're asleep that determines how young or old you look when you wake up. Section 1. Collagen. The night shift protein. Collagen is often called the glue that holds your skin, joints, and muscles together. But what most people don't know is that collagen production and repair happen most intensely while you sleep. Your body enters a deep recovery mode between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. This is when growth hormone is released, and it's what tells your body to rebuild, including the collagen in your skin, bones, and connective tissues. But if your nighttime routine is off, even just slightly, it can cancel out this critical repair window. And that brings us to the first silent collagen killer. Section 2. Blue light, the collagen blocker. We all know staring at our phone before bed is bad for sleep, but here's what most people don't realize. Blue light from screens suppresses melatonin, and melatonin is a powerful antioxidant that protects collagen. When melatonin is low, your skin becomes more vulnerable to free radicals, unstable molecules that attack and break down collagen fibers. And worse, that delayed sleep from blue light exposure shortens your time in deep sleep, when the most collagen repair happens. So if you're scrolling before bed, you're not just losing sleep, you're losing collagen. Section 3. Sugar at night. Glycation attack model. Late night dessert? Midnight snack? A glass of wine? It might seem harmless, but eating sugar late at night floods your bloodstream with glucose right when your body is trying to repair itself. This causes something called glycation, a process where sugar molecules bind to collagen and make it stiff, brittle, and more prone to wrinkles. The result? A slow breakdown of your skin's structure while you sleep. The fix? Avoid sugar and heavy carbs at least 3 hours before bed to give your body a clean window to repair and rebuild collagen naturally. Section 4. Stress and cortisol. The nighttime collagen thief. Stress doesn't sleep, and neither does cortisol. Cortisol is your body's stress hormone, and when it stays elevated into the night, it can disrupt your sleep and slow down collagen production. In fact, high cortisol levels reduce the activity of fibroblasts, the very cells responsible for making collagen and elastin. What's worse, if you're lying in bed with racing thoughts, your body thinks it's under attack. And in defense mode, repair gets postponed, including skin repair. The solution? Practice wind-down habits. Deep breathing, light stretching, soft music. Anything that signals to your nervous system it's safe to rest. Section 5. Lack of hydration. Collagen's dry enemy. Your skin needs water to function, but at night, your body loses moisture through breathing and sweat. If you go to bed even mildly dehydrated, your skin struggles to stay plump and elastic. And dry skin means collagen fibers are less protected and more vulnerable to damage. Drinking a glass of water 30 to 60 minutes before bed, not right before, helps your skin stay hydrated during its peak repair window. You can also use a nighttime moisturizer with hyaluronic acid, which draws water into the skin and creates a hydrated environment for collagen renewal. Section 6. Lack of sleep, less hours, less collagen. The simplest truth? If you don't sleep enough, you don't make enough collagen. Studies show that people who sleep fewer than 6 hours per night have significantly higher signs of skin aging, including wrinkles, roughness, and uneven tone. Why? Because your skin doesn't have enough time to repair, rebuild, and fight off free radicals. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night in a dark, cool room. And try to go to bed before midnight. Your skin does its best work when you're in deep sleep early in the night. Section 7. Collagen-friendly night routine, step by step. Let's put it all together. Here's a simple nighttime routine to reverse collagen loss and wake up glowing. Stop screen time 1 hour before bed. Protect your melatonin. No sugar or snacks 3 hours before sleep. Prevent glycation. Hydrate properly. 1 glass of water before winding down. Use topical boosters. A few drops of squalane oil, a hyaluronic acid serum, or a gentle retinol can stimulate collagen while you sleep. Relax your body and mind. Deep breathing, reading, or calming music. Sleep in darkness. Even small lights can interrupt your hormone cycle. Invest in your pillowcase. Silk or satin creates less friction and protects skin elasticity. Do this consistently, and you're not just protecting your collagen, you're reversing years of quiet overnight damage. Section 8. Natural nighttime collagen boosters. Want to go further? Here are a few safe, natural options that support collagen overnight. Magnesium glycinate. Helps muscles relax and improves deep sleep. Collagen peptides, hydrolyzed. Taken 30 to 60 minutes before bed, these give your body raw materials to rebuild. Vitamin C. Either from a nighttime serum or small supplement, it's a cofactor in collagen synthesis. Chamomile or lavender tea. Not only calming, but also rich in antioxidants. You don't need expensive creams or risky procedures. You just need to give your body what it already needs and protect it from the things silently stealing your collagen overnight. Take action, so now you know. Collagen isn't just about food or supplements. It's about your entire nighttime environment. The light you see, the thoughts you think, the sugar you eat, and the hours you sleep, all of it shapes how your skin looks in the morning. If this opened your eyes, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video, share it with someone over 40 who wants to age smarter, and subscribe for more powerful, natural health tips. No hype, just real knowledge. Your skin repairs itself every night. You just have to let it. Thanks for watching. Sleep well and let your collagen thrive.